And the race on Prince Carlo rushing up Blitzkrieg. On the federal side is Amarosa, Shimarjo down on the inside, The of Jade, Gala's Charm down in fifth, down on the inside is Royal Scepter. Elgin is on the outside. Last 600, Amarosa, Shimarjo, The of Jade, Prince Carlo, Bullseye is running in fifth, and moving up in 6, Elgin, Royal Scepter. Entry number 9, Doña Erica, Galais Char, down on the inside is Hello Africa, Apples Plus, Lovely Tara, Incorruptible, Blitzkrieg. As they race the final corner, Amarosa is leading the pack. Shimarjo and Royal Scepter down on the inside, The of Jade. Amarosa, Royal Scepter is running by the Elgin, Shimarjo, Edsel, Amarosa will Gilbert, Lagrata, Francisco Amarosa, Royal Scepter, Elgin, Doña Erica, Shimarjo, and for your super sa is Prince Carlo.
Okay.